It's not deep enough for you to like flip it up. Or it's too deep
I'm
for me.
in my kayak. Should I help?
No, we are alright. That's scary as f. Is there any big stumps over there?
No, it's the only thing.
As long as you make it past this point.
Yo, legit, listen, if you start and you fall off, try to throw your back, because if you land knees first, you're gonna hit the bog iron, and that shit hurts.
Yo, this is what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna step on this. This one's gonna launch back because they're not tied together.
No, this knee here,
That's
this
the whole
knee
point of the game.
here. I jumped on my boogie board, dude, like right here. I flipped off, I hit both my knees on bog iron.
What could go wrong, fellas? It's doable. Yeah, if this one can stay here, yeah, maybe put the next one on top of it. That way you trip over it. Oh, don't fall on that, whatever that is. He flipped, dude.
He cased the blue one.
Yo, if you gotta fall off that side, because there's some sharp shit over here. The rut was high, stepping it.
Same as Dalton's.
Come on, son. Get you some. Oh, right in the ribs. Come on, get it, boy. Get it, boy. Here, boy.
Halfway up the blue.
Keep on flipping.
Come on, boy. Come on, son. Run it! Run it! Man, Taco! Come on, boy. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You alright? I blew her apart. Oh. Somebody give me water.
You broke the kayak. You blew the plastic out of it.
Oh shit. Oh, dude, my ass. Oh.
We can fish this back in.
Fish what back in? What are we? Alright, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah? There's one. There's three. Ah, dude, come on. Come on, Corey. Oh, you off left. Can I run with the GoPro? Not too bad. Come on, Paul. Yeah, it's on. Run. Come on, boy. Oh my god, you just take that to the face?
Almost the next shot.
Yeah, that's what they got for the tightrope. Yep. No, I don't think the paddle helps any at all. You hitting it? Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, Paul. You gotta get the red one. Get the red one, Paul. Come on, Paul.
I finished it.
Come on, Corey. You think there's friggin' regulations here? Come on. Oh, yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh my god, dude, the freaking green one's deadly, I'm telling you. Yo, Corey, give me full throttle like Baltimore Orioles fucking training video. Damn it, fucking green one every time.
Dude, I had that go straight.
2 hours later.
Here comes Paul.
Paul, get ready to go.
Oh boy. That's awesome!
Yes!
Come on, boy. Yeah. That's awesome!
Yes! The red one!
Yeah. Now we can wrap it up.
Alright, here you go, Dan.
Yo, what was the technique? Speed?
Speed, baby! Dude, as soon as you hit the blue one, legit didn't even move. I knew you had it. Oh, he got it, he got it. Dude, can we just take our time and kill it the right way?